Sunshine Girls captain Janelle Fowler says the team has shown that they can compete for the top spot at next year's World Cup, given the recent Commonwealth Games performance, which has seen them jump to third in the world. However, a key part of that expectation is head coach Connie Francis, who is still unsure if she'll continue in the role next year.
It has been an unforgettable last 10 days for the Sunshine Girls, who have now been invited to the 2023 World Cup to be held in Cape Town, South Africa next summer. The team's performance at the Commonwealth Games, where they got the better of all 6 teams they played, meant the team also jumped to third in the ranking based on the updated release on Monday. A historic silver medal at the Commonwealth Games now sees the Jamaicans moving to 184 rating points, just 1 ahead of England and within 5 of second place New Zealand. It is also a well-deserved turnaround for the Sunshine Girls, whose 5th place finish at the World Cup in 2019 was met with harsh criticisms and coaching changes. Coincidentally, despite a first-ever appearance in the Commonwealth Games final, the team could find itself again going through another coaching change ahead of the next World Cup. This as head coach Connie Francis revealed in a recent Gleaner article that she's considering stepping down due to the pressure of the job. But captain of the team, Janelle Fowler, in an interview on Smile Jamaica on Monday, threw her support behind the coach.
She has come on board and she's just been so passionate about the sport. I know that she loves this and she wants the best for us. And whatever it is that she's feeling at the moment or going through, we are definitely here for her, supporting her and wanting her to be here with us as well going forward, but we have to respect what it is she's going through, and any decision that she makes, we have to respect that and know that if we're going out there with her, without her or not, that we're going to be playing for her as well, because she is grassroots. She has set the space for us to come up and be playing like this.
And given what the team was able to accomplish at the Commonwealth Games, Fowler is confident a top 3 finish next year is fully on the cards.
As it relates to next year World Cup, we definitely know what we can do. We definitely know that we have the team to go out there. The depth in the team is amazing as well, so we know that we have that to go out there and beat them as well.
Francis stated that she will take the next 2 weeks to make a decision on whether she will remain in the head coaching role, which means Netball Jamaica could have 14 days to find a replacement when the team returns to training. Renardo Brown for TVJ Sports.